We are sitting in a $164 million project, downtown Baton Rouge. Bella Baton Rouge has been around for about 31 years. It was on the boat. The company decided to take it landside for a couple of reasons.
It's a giant, massive renovation. The job site itself, we got the 10-story hotel, 242 rooms. In the casino, everything you see here was renovated.
There's a giant atrium above us that was developed for a place called Catfish Town. And it was basically taking a city street with historic buildings on either side and fully enclosing it with an atrium ceiling.
We wanted to keep true to old Baton Rouge with the new kind of southern charm. These buildings are over 100 years old and it has a lot of history, and during the 1920s this was a happening place to be. So we built around it and just added the new features.
This is the industrial place. And of course, it used to be a train depot. So there's a lot of train references everywhere you look. Also, we reused a lot of the old timber and repurposed it.
The first thing I did was bring contractors in, like, hey, the owner would like to renovate this building at some point. Do you mind walking through here? Give me a report of the mechanical yard. Give me a report of this, a report of that. I'd come here in the afternoons just to open up holes in ceilings.
So as David began to understand the problem, it helped us communicate to the design team and ownership of what we really think needs to be done here.
We put a lot of the air conditioning above that ceiling. It's sitting on it. Tons of equipment. That was both a structural challenge and a construction challenge.
We had a much larger W. O'Neill team than you normally would on a project of this uniqueness and complexity, working with a lot of adapted buildings, a lot of existing systems. The owner really asked us to take it on and cut as much time out of the job as possible. It's been a pretty collaborative effort to deliver this as quickly as we could.
We had worked with O'Neill before at our sister property up the street, the Queen, and we were extremely happy with the partnership that we had with them. Even though some of the players have changed, the culture didn't. O'Neill has taken this project like it's their own.
They now had going on 5 years of in-market experience. I don't know anyone that could have tried to move in and do this project as easily as W. O'Neill.
That's what makes it really special with me. It started off with a relationship from an owner 20 years ago that recognized us for our good work, and it led us all the way here today.
Providing continuity is not a problem for us. So it doesn't matter if we're in Baton Rouge or Chicago, right? We're gonna go about our business the same way and what we've been taught to be the right way.
We'll build a casino anywhere you want it. We're capable of doing anything we set our minds to. That's what makes O'Neill different.